Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 3.7, Problem Solving, Multiply Two-Digit Numbers. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can use the strategy, draw a diagram to solve multi-step multiplication problems. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. All right. Our Unlock the Problem today is going to walk us through a problem-solving problem, and so we're going to use our problem-solving box here to understand what it is we're doing and solve our problem. So let's read the Unlock the Problem. It says, during the 2010 Great Backyard Bird Count, an average of 42 bald eagles were counted in each of 20 locations throughout Alaska. In 2009, an average of 32 bald eagles were counted in 26 locations throughout Alaska. Based on this data, how many more, those are important words, how many more bald eagles were counted in 2010 than in 2009? All right, well, we've used this graphic organizer before, so let's plan out the things that we know and how we're going to use them. So the first thing we need to know is, what am I trying to find? I need to find how many more bald eagles were counted. So how many more bald eagles were counted in 2010 than in 2009? All right, and now they're going to get to the numbers. So in 2010, it said that there were 20 locations, and they each counted an average of 42 eagles. And then in 2009, there were 26 locations, and they each counted an average of 32 bald eagles. And our method here, what we're going to do is that we're going to solve simpler problems first. So first we're going to find the number of bald eagles in 2010. And then next we're going to find the number of bald eagles in 2009. So counting a little step at each time. And then we're going to use our bar method, which is what we see over here, to compare 2010 to 2009. So let's solve our simple problem. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply 42 by 20, because these are our 2010 numbers. They're right here. So let's do that to the side. 42 times 20. Let's practice going old school multiplication. So 0 times 2 straight up. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. We add our magic 0 to keep place. Then we go start with our 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Add them together. So the number of bald eagles in 2010 was 840. Let me write that a little bit nicer. 840. Much better. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to find is our numbers for 2009. And in 2009, we had 32 bald eagles. Multiplied by 26 locations. So let's do that to the side. 32 times 26. So we're going to go straight up with our 6 first. 6 times 2 is 12. Then 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Then add your magic 0 to move over a place value. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. Add those together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 4 is 13, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So in 2009, it was only 832 bald eagles counted. And now we need to know how many more tells me I need to subtract. So I'm going to do 840 minus 832. And I'm going to go over here to the left. So 840 minus 832. Well, if I have 0, I can't take away 2, so I need to borrow. It becomes a 3. I bring over a 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. So I'm left over with just 8. So there were 8 more bald eagles spotted in 2010 than there were in 2009. We will continue this problem-solving practice tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. When you're sure you understand this lesson, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.